Good morning, children. Children, today I am going to explain you about LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So, LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each one of the given number. So, LCM means the smallest common multiple which can be divisible by the given two numbers. So, we will do it by two methods. First is finding LCM by listing multiples, and second is find LCM of the given number using prime factorization method. So let's see the first method. In first method we have to take out LCM of 8 and 10. Okay, we have to take out LCM of least common multiple of 8 and 10. So for this what you have to do, you have to lay down all the all the multiples of 8. So all the multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16, 24, 32. I have written up to 80. So these all are the multiples of 8. Then we will write all the multiples of 10. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and all. Okay. Now we have to see which is the smallest common multiple. Which is the smallest common multiple? You can see here. See 40. 40 is the smallest common multiple of 8 and 10. Okay children. So 40 comes in 8 ka table also and 10 ka table also. So 40 is the smallest common multiple of 8 and 10. So this type of method of finding the LCM can be applicable only for the small numbers. 8 and 10 both are small number. But when we are doing we are finding the multiple of smallest common multiple of big numbers, then this method will be little difficult for us. So we have to do it by prime factorization method. So prime factorization method is, now I will show you how to do it. Okay. So here 24 and 36. Now we have to find the smallest common multiple of 24 and 36. So first we have to find the factors of 24. So whenever you are doing the factors, we have to use always the prime numbers. So and we have to start with the smallest prime number, like smallest prime number is 2. We have to give chance to the smallest number and that should be prime. We cannot do the factorization with the composite number. We have to do always with the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7 and all. Okay. So we will start with 2. For this why we are doing with 2? Because here we will see in the ones place what is 4. So 4 is an even number. So it will be divisible by 2 and 2 is the smallest prime number. So we have to start with 2. What will come? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay. 12. Now again 12 comes in 2 ka table. Again it will go by 2. 2, 6 are 12. Okay. Then by 2, 3. Okay. Now 3. Now 3 has come. 3 will go by 3. Another 3. So we have to keep on doing till we are not getting 1 done. Okay. Now these are the factors of 24. Okay. Now we will see the factors of 36. So again here in the ones place 6. 6 is an even number. So we will start with 2. Okay. Smallest prime number 2. So 2 ones are 2. 18. Okay. It will come 18. Then again 18 comes in 2 ka table. 2 nines are 18. Okay. Now 9, it is an odd number. So it comes in 3 ka table. So we will do with 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3. So these all are the factors of 24 and 36. Now we will write all the factors. Now 24 factor we will write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay children. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. See all the factors are there. Now factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. All the factors are there. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to make the pair. Okay. This is one pair and this is the second pair. And now see we don't have any 2. So 2 cannot be paired. Okay. But this 3 we can make a pair with this one. Now you can see 3 pair we are having and 2 numbers are alone. So what we will do now? Now we have to find the product. Okay. Product of prime factors. So we will take 1 2 from here. 2 into, we'll write this way. 2 into, we have taken 1 2 from here this 1 2 from this, and 1 3 from this. Okay, and now which are left, this 2 also we have to include here, and this is left, we have to include this one. Okay, now we have to multiply them. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24, and 24 3 is a 72. Okay, so 72, we got 72. So 72, your 72 is the LCM of 24 and 36. Means 72 is the smallest common multiple, okay, which can be divisible by 24 and 36 both. So children, have you understood? Now you got LCM of 24 and 36. These both are the big numbers, and we got LCM as 72. Okay children, thank you.